Yep. We back again. Shit. Expo Customs. Part 4. For the Swiss up. So, I got my transmission. It's a 4S65. It got the stage 2 internals in it. Come out of Trailblazer, but it was rebuilt with stage 2 steels and clutches. Everything upgraded in the inside of it. So it ain't your regular old 4S60, 4S65. It done had some work done to it. Anyway, I installed them fittings. Ran my push-in fittings. Ran my lines, my hoses. And I got it mounted up on the transmission jack. Yeah, I told you everything with performance up under here. We all good, man. Yeah, shit, now we finna get ready to go in. Go in with the Swiss out. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, what it is. Let me go on and get the transmission up in here. And I'll hit y'all back.